pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very powerful AI application here. So here you pretty much can go ahead and ask AI pretty much anything that will come to your mind you want to ask AI, you can go ahead. And let's say you want to add your images or your documents, you can tap on the plus icon here. You can tap on this option here to upload your documents, your files. And as well, you can tap on this option here to upload images and this camera icon here to pretty much take a picture of something right away. So you have a lot of AI models which you can use with this application. To keep in mind, you're going to need a subscription. So down here you have quite a lot of AI models which you can use. You can scroll across and see all the different type of AI models which you can use. And as well, you have the basic model, which is pretty much the application model. And as well, you can tap on the more option to see other AI chatbots as it relates to celebrities. So here you can see the celebrity chatbots which you can speak with. You have the My Chatbot, which is the application itself, and as well, you can go ahead and create your own chatbot as well. So all you have to do is tap on the plus icon or the create option at the top here. Once you have done that, it will launch load up this. Here you can add your chatbot settings, what you want, what you may not want it to ask you, or so all of those things. And as well, you can enter your name or the name of the chatbot, whatever the case is. Or if you don't have anything in mind, you can tap on R to generate, and it will generate something completely random for you if you don't have anything in mind. So down here, you can adjust the voice, the model that it uses, and as well permissions and so forth. And you have more settings down here where you can adjust the bot to your liking. As well, you have the skills option which can enable and so forth. So that's it for really creating your bot. And to find that option, you can either tap on the three lines over here, tap on the My Bot option, and you'll be able to save. So that's very pretty much it for that. And as well, over here you have the image generation feature. So if you do tap on this option, pretty much we'll go into this section. Here you have the image generation, you have the video generation. So you can tap on down here as well to go into the video generation section. Here you can do text to video, image to video, and also create videos from their templates that they have provided. Do keep in mind you're going to need a certain amount of credits to generate your videos. So if I do tap on the option at the top here, it will tell you how much credits you have, how much you need to use. All of those information will be shown in this section here. So as you can see, I'm currently on a free plan, and as you can see, as it relates to the free plan. So if I do want to unlock the subscriptions and support for this application, you can tap on the get more option, and as you can see, these are pretty much the subscription that we offer. You do get a pro subscription with 5,000 credits. As well, we have the unlimited option for only $24 or $25. Down here you have the monthly subscription, which is for $5. So that's really pretty much it for the subscription. But let's say you want to create an AI video using this application, you can just tap on this option here, text the video option, but do keep in mind you're going to need a subscription. So yeah, and they do offer free trial as it relates to this as well. So I won't be able to create any videos, but once you do select the video option, this is pretty much how it will look. Here you have the model. You can tap on this option here to select the AI model that you want to use to generate your videos. You have video 3, star 2, very few, I would say, very few popular AI models here, which you can use to create your videos. And as well, you can select whether you want the video to be an image to video, where you upload your photo and you turn that photo into video, or you may want a text to video option. Scan here into your prompt, what you want to generate, and it will generate it for you. As well, you can tap on this option here to adjust maybe the duration of the video, as well as aspect ratio. So pretty much all up to you guys. As well, you can tap on the clock icon on top here for the duration, images, and pretty much everything that has been generated on this application here. So over here you have the, I would say, a few other features which you can try out. Here you have the cloud voice and the voice chat. As well, I forgot to mention, you can tap on this option here and tap on this here to pretty much speak with an AI chatbot online. So if I do tap on this here,
Hello, I'm Monica, your AI personal assistant. I'm delighted.
as you can see, we're able to select whichever model I want to use to speak with an AI. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the call option again. Here you can see you have the standard option. You have some other AI live chat, which you can speak with the AI. And as well, most of these you pretty much will need a subscription. So to get your subscription, I already showed you on a way which you can find your subscription page. You can tap on the upgrade option at top here as well to get to their subscription page. They do offer a 3 day free trial, as you can see here, and as well you do get a yearly subscription or weekly subscription. Other subscription that I was showing you earlier is much different from this one, where it's really pretty much the same, I should say. But anyways, that's really much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I would love to help you. And if you still don't understand, let me know. See you in the next one.